A Chameleon. Lesson 2. Extensive reading. This chapter is written by Anton Chekhov, a Russian writer. Anton Chekhov was born on January 29, 1860, in Taganrog, Russia. He is the master of the modern short story. He is regarded as the outstanding representative of the late 19th century Russia realist school. Chekhov had at first written stories to earn money, but as his artistic ambition grew, he made formal innovations which have influenced the evolution of modern short story. He made no apologies for the difficulties this posed to readers, insisting that the role of an artist was to ask questions, not to answer them. Main characters of the story. In this story, Ochumelov is the main character of this story. He is a police superintendent. Then we have Haryukin, a goldsmith. Prohor is General Jiglov's cook. General Jiglov is another character. Yeldrin is red-haired policeman. Mystery Mitrich, Vladimir Ivanich, General Jiglov's brother. These all characters have just references in the text. Ochumelo is a police superintendent in this story, walking across the market square. He was wearing a new overcoat. He carries a parcel under his arm. A red-haired policeman walks after him with a sieve full of gooseberries in his hands, as the picture is showing to you. Suddenly he hears the painful cries of a dog. It is jumping on her three legs. A man is chasing her and falls. He catches the dog by its hind legs. He sees a man in starched cotton shirt with his unbuttoned waistcoat. This man is Haryukin. Soon people gather round Pichugin's timber yard. Haryukin the goldsmith shows his right hand's bleeding finger. He charges that the dog has bitten him. He has to do very delicate work, but now he cannot work for a week. He wants compensation from the owner of the dog. It is unlawful to leave the dog unchained. The dog in the crowd has an expression of terror and misery in her fearful eyes. The police superintendent takes a serious note of it. He speaks that rules and regulation must be obeyed. Students, here the police superintendent is Ochumelov. He speaks that rules and regulations must be obeyed. He instructs Yeldrin, the policeman, to draw a report. He threatens to teach a lesson to the owner of the dog. At the same time, a voice came from crowd says that it's the dog of General Jiglov. On hearing this, the harsh tone of police superintendent softens. He starts blaming and accusing Haryukin. So this shows the character of police superintendent Ochumelov, who changes his character and behaves like chameleon. So he is changing his idea towards Haryukin. He asks Yeldrin to help him off his coat. He tells Haryukin that it is little dog, you are a great hulking fellow. He pleads how a small puppy can bite Haryukin's finger. He might have troubled the dog with his cigarette. So these are the charges which are laid on Haryukin by Ochumelov. He is taking off his coat when he is against Haryukin, and he is putting on his coat when he favors Haryukin. This changing of coat is just like changing the colors of chameleon. The policeman says that it is not the dog of General. The police superintendent begins to feel cold. He tells the policeman to help him on with his overcoat. He assures Haryukin that the offender will be punished. Again, someone from the crowd says that it is General's dog. The police superintendent begins to say that it is a valuable dog. He tells Haryukin to put his hand down. It is his own fault. It is his own doing to get easy money. Ochumelov changes his attitude and blames Haryukin for the incident. In the meantime, Prohor, the general's cook, comes. He confirms that it is not general's dog. Once again, Ochumelov flies into anger. He says that this stray dog must be destroyed immediately. But Prohor states that the dog belongs to general's brother, Mr. Vladimir Ivanich. Again, Ochumelov sweetens his tongue. He says that it is a nice little puppy. Prohor takes the dog to its owner. The crowd laughs at Haryukin because he failed to get some money from dog's owner. Ochumelov put on his overcoat and threatens Haryukin that he is not smart enough to fool him. So this is the chapter. Now students, just note that the chameleon is very popular type of lizard. It has ability to change colors based on their mood and surrounding. In this story, the attitude of police superintendent Ochumelov is compared with this chameleon. He changes his attitude depending on the situation. Now comes the word meaning. Blackguard means devil, villain. Blockhead, a stupid person. Chameleon, I have already told you, it is an animal, it is a reptile which changes its color, and here it is compared to a changeable person. Disconsolate means unhappy, disappointed, ecstatic, showing great joy. Goldsmith, a person who makes gold article. Gooseberries, a round, edible yellowish green. Hind at the back. Hounds, hunting dogs. Hulking, large, heavy and threatening. Muzzle, the projecting part of the face including the nose and mouth of an animal such as dog or horse. Row, the number of people or things or more in a more or less straight line. Setter's high-breed dog. Sieve is a utensil consisting of a wire or plastic mesh held in a frame. Strides, walk with long steps in specified directions. Strangled, killed by squeezing the throat. Swine, pig, thoroughbred of pure breed. Yelping, crying in pain. Thanks, students.